probably guessed from the title of this that this is not going to be a very long video. We've got the max if s function here. We're going to be looking at the min if s. So I'm going to right click and I'm simply going to ask it to duplicate, move or copy, go to the end, move to end, create a copy, click OK. Then all I'm going to do is click on there, then double click just to bring that up, get rid of this 2, and then just change the AX to IN. So you may not have noticed it in there, but obviously once you've got that, it's the min if s, and that must mean that if we change this to the min, so let's pull this down actually rather than change it. So let's drag those two down. So it still says D, but what I'm going to do now is just simply change this to min. And it does exactly what we expect. This is the maximum, and this is the minimum. And it's that short, it's that sweet, it's that easy. Nice to have both of those in there though. This ability to analyze on a series of factors is really useful. So see you in the next video.